What's up, food lovers? So we are down here in Venice. Yeah, where I grew up at. Here is the canal.
I see another thing. Where's a crocodile?
Where we catch all the shrimp, the crawfish. This is where we grew up at, where I grew up at, and we're down here for vacation and visit family. So let me take you around and look at stuff. So here you go, guys. These are my aunt's soft shell crab tanks. These crabs are bought from local fishermen. These crabs are called buster. Buster crabs are crabs that are about to hatch any day now to grow bigger and stronger. But before they go hard, my aunt would take them out, and these are called soft shell crabs. Goodies my aunt got me. We got onions, everything. We got swordfish, loading up, tuna. So guys, this is the land where I grew up at back in 1994 to 2001. This is my uncle's land now with his new trailer. The old trailer was taken by Hurricane Katrina. Walking up the levee of the Mississippi River, this is where we catch all our catfish, redfish, stingrays, flounders, you name it. We had lots and lots of fun on this levee. We learned how to ride motorcycles, go-karts, four-wheelers. Man, we had to run up these levees for workouts. Very memorable place for me. And then here is my dad's boat, Miss Tina. Miss Tina is my baby sister's name. This boat is still up and running as today. What's up, food lovers? Welcome to the show. I'm Tony Two-Ton, and today I got a good one for you. Yes, look at these beauty, soft shell crabs. I got it from my aunt from Venice, Louisiana, my hometown where I grew up, and my dad still lives there. Well, my dad don't live there, he works down there, he parks his boat down there, and my aunt lives down there. My uncles and stuff still live down there. So I went back and visited them, and my aunt gave me some soft shell crab, which I'm gonna cook up for you today. And we're gonna do two versions of these. One's gonna be garlic butter, sautéed garlic butter, and the other one's gonna be pan fried with flour. So with these beauty, it's gonna be delicious. All right, first thing we gotta do is clean it. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Cut the face off and cut the tail off right here. So with that all said, let's get to cooking. But wait, if you like this video, all right, make sure you smash the like button and consider subscribing. All right, now let's get to cooking. Let's go. What's up, guys? Here we are, the finished product. Crispy soft shell crab. Looks delicious, right? Yes, indeed. And then the other one, soft shell crab sauteed with garlic butter. Mouth-watering deliciousness. So let's taste test. Let's do the crispy soft shell crab first. With these crab, of course, you could eat. Here's the claw. And taste the crunchiness. Here's the backbone, the back meat. You see that? This stuff is delicious. So good. So now let's try the sauteed garlic butter. This. I'm gonna peel out the back meat. With that, just bite the whole thing. So good, delicious. So guys, that'll be it for today. If you liked the video and you like the recipe, please smash the like button and consider subscribing, alright? I'm gonna finish this food up and I'm gonna go take a nap, alright? So I'm gonna see you next time. Bye.